Alright, guys. So today we're going to be learning how you're going to be spackling and how we're also going to be tiling a bathroom wall. So you're going to need three things. First thing is spackle. Today we don't have spackle, so we're going to be using some Kraft peanut butter. I like Kraft because good stuff. Alright, you're also going to need some tiles. Today I actually don't have any tiles. I'm going to be using some bread. This is rye bread, because I like rye bread. And the third thing you're going to need is a trowel. Today we actually don't have a trowel. We're going to be using a butter knife. Alright. So the first thing you're going to need to do when you're tiling a wall is you're going to need to unscrew the cap on your jar full of peanut butter. In this case, most cases it won't be peanut butter, it'll be spackle. So you're gonna need to get a healthy portion. I'd say, well, it's a butter knife. It's hard to do this, but that's a healthy portion. You see that? Healthy portion. That, and with that, we're just gonna put it right on there. All right, and then we're gonna bring it and we're gonna spread it around. Get it nice and thick. It won't be able to stick. Alright, so we're going to eventually do that for the entire wall, but for now, I'm just going to show you how it is for one tile. We want to get a healthy amount of spackle. Very healthy amount. You can get how much spackle you need on that. I don't recommend using spackle, but if you're working with peanut butter, you can get away with eating some of it. So as you can see, this is a very healthy amount. Alright. I'm going to set that can of spackle over there. What we have over here, a tile. Piece of rye bread. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this tile and we're going to gently place it right on the wall. As you can see, it sticks because that's what spackle is. It's like glue. Alright. Now, normally we'd have spaces. I just don't have spaces. And I'm actually only going to do a few pieces anyways. So you want spaces if you want to have space in between the different tiles. Now, just something I thought I'd mention about the bread tiles is the longer you keep them up there, the harder they're going to get as bread does get stale after a while. Now, these you're also going to have to use bleach on because they will get moldy. It's bread. Alright, so if you don't remember what we did, we just gently put it on there. Make sure you're gentle with it now. Now, you don't have to be gentle as much with bread, but with tiles you want to be gentle, or else you might shatter. Alright? Now, you want to get the spacing right. Alright, I say that's pretty good. Alright? It's on there. As you can see, it's not falling, is it? So, what we learned today is bread is a great tile, especially on a budget. If you're on a budget, I recommend going with the tiles that are breads. Alright? Always when I say this, always bring lunch with you. My wife's got me on a diet. I got nuts today. Normally I have something like a hamburger, alright? But today I have nuts. Alright, I mean, what am I going to do? I have to do what I got. He gave me this entire bag. So, hopefully it makes me skinnier. Alright. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like button there, comments, and also make sure you subscribe. And if I had a Patreon page, I'd tell you go there. GoFundMe page. I tell you to go there too, but I don't have those. No. So, yeah, we'll see you later. Next one. Comment below what you want me to fix next. I can fix anything. Like I showed you. My tiling, beautiful job, I say. I mean, you could disagree. I don't know who would, though.